Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 48. We start with this box. We're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here. So this is our 3. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing a 4. This row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 2. For this column, looks like we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 1 here makes this our 7. 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 7. No help here. 5, 6, 7. 6 and 7 here means this is our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 6, 8. 3 and 8 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 8 and 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, we're only missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.